Welcome, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the 10 people with the highest IQ ever. Starting off at number 10, we have Cleopatra, who was born in 69 BC in Egypt. As Queen of Egypt, she was heavily influencing Roman politics. She had an IQ of 108. At number 9 is Hypatia, who was born between 350 and 370 AD in Alexandria. She was the first female mathematician to have work well recorded. Her IQ range is estimated to be from 170 to 210. Number 8 is Judith Polgar with 170, born in Budapest. She was a chess grandmaster and considered to be the best female chess player to exist. At number 7 is Jacob Barnett with an IQ of 170. I guess the same. He was born in Indianapolis in 1998 and attended university at the age of 10 with no previous schooling. At number 6 is Emanuel Swedenborg with an IQ of estimated from 165 to 210. A philosopher, a scientist, a theologist, he was born in 1688 in Stockholm. His best known work is Heaven and Hell, a book on the afterlife. At number 5 is the famously known Nikola Tesla with an estimated IQ of 160 to 310, not very specific. Tesla was born in 1856 with one of the highest IQ ever. He was the creator of the Tesla coil. At number 4 is Nicolaus Copernicus, did I spell that right? With an IQ range from 160 to 200. Copernicus was born in 1473 in Poland. He was the first person to create a universe model with the sun at the center. Of course he got that wrong, but still, for 1473, that was pretty impressive. At number 3 we have Albert Einstein, who was born in 1879. He is known as the most influential physicist and is famously known for inventing the theory of relativity. I know you've heard that somewhere. Be sure to stick around till the end because I have some very valuable honorable mentions. At number 2 we have Paul Allen, who was born in Seattle, Washington. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft. Not too much details to him. And at number 1 we have Stephen Hawking, who was born in Oxford, England in 1942. He was a physicist, a cosmologist, and was the first person to discover that black holes emit radiation. Different sources have different people on their top list. Some people say Terence Tao with a score of 230 to 240. Others say William James Sidis with an estimated score of 250 to 300. Now, let me just shine some light on some honorable mentions. William Sidis, who joined Harvard University at just 11 years old, making him one of the youngest to attend the prestigious institution. Another honorable mention is Terence Tao, we already said, who was a mathematical genius from Australia, completing his bachelor's and master's degrees at the age of 16. He obtained his PhD by 24, was the youngest full professor in the University of California. Another honorable mention is Christopher Hirata with a score of 225. He was an astrophysicist and a cosmologist. Another person was Kim Un-myung, hailing from South Korea. He had a score of 210. He was given an invitation by NASA at the age of 8 and obtained a PhD in physics from Colorado at the age of 15. Rick Rosner is also another person with an IQ score of 192. He's an American television writer and media personality. What makes it interesting is that his career changes from bouncer to stripper, even though he pursued a high school diploma in his 40s. He has several appearances on TV shows and podcasts. And moving to the Guinness World of Records, we have Marilyn Vos Savant, an American author who has the highest recorded IQ and holds the Guinness World Record. She has channeled most of her time and a cognitive ability into columns and books. She has an IQ score of 190. In the vast experience of human intelligence and geniusness, the measure of IQ has served as a yardstick for cognitive ability, but it is essential to remember that it only measures one side of intelligence. Stay tuned because I'm about to make a video on how having a high IQ is challenging sometimes for these people. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I also have more similar content like this and more planned, so please subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye.